this video I will show you 2 ways to trim media in the FFStudio. We will start simple, then look at faster and more advanced methods. Let's begin. Right click and choose input node. Select your file. Right click again and output node. Select output path, name and extension. If you wanna overwrite the same file on multiple runs, double click and search for Y node. Add it and connect it to the input node. Next, the streams. Right click and create stream selector for video. Right click again on stream selector and choose clone. Change the clone node to audio. Connect all stream selectors between input and output. Now create 2 global nodes, -SS and T. Double click the canvas, search for them. Set -SS to 5. This means that trim starts at 5 seconds. Set -T to 10. That means the output duration is 10 seconds. Notice that global nodes have a universal connector called global as input and output. Chain them together, then connect the last one to the output node. That's it. Our first streaming graph is ready. Decoding and encoding always reduce the quality. Sometimes we want to trim without reencoding, and the answer is yes, it's possible, but with some trade-offs. Let's modify our graph. Move -SS and T nodes to the input side. Add a new global node -C and set it to copy. Attach it to the output node. Done. Now the graph trims without reencoding, but there is an issue. The output file can be bigger, and at trimming points you might see artifacts. This depends on codec and container, so you must choose small files with reencode or raw edges with copy. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to trim with more control using filters. If you have questions about FFmpeg graphs or want me to cover a problem you face, don't hesitate, write a comment. Thank you for watching.